Okay, my name is Debra Robertson, and I've just participated in Craig Cannan's reincarnation workshop, and I was so surprised, and I realised today was the day I was ready to look into all this. It's been a lifelong interest of mine, and I learned so much. It was extraordinary. Craig has just given me tools to follow now for myself, but I want to go back to him again as soon as I can, because it's now my time to start exploring this further. Met some amazing people, and it was practical, it was interactive from go to woe. So much was achieved in this 3-hour session. I just couldn't believe it. I feel filled up, and it's the best way to spend a Saturday doing something like this. Should do it more often. I want to say thank you, Craig, because yeah, you've created another place in my life that's a landmark, and I'm ready to start doing more of this. Thank you.